Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to show you some Apple Watch bands. A lot of you have been asking to see more Apple Watch accessories, and this one I've been using for about a week and a half or so. This is from a company called Southern Straps. They were nice enough to send this along, and this one, as you can see, is red, white, and blue, and it's made of nylon, and it's made in the United States. If you take a look right here, it says Southern Straps, SF, California, USA. And it's really high quality. Now, these aren't very expensive. They're $35, and for something made in the United States and of high quality material, this is really nice. So if I take this out here and we take a closer look, you'll see this is pretty thick material, and when I first got this, it was really pretty stiff. It wouldn't conform much. It wasn't very comfortable, but it comes with this little card here, and it tells you that it may be stiff. It's made from high quality nylon, and if you want to kind of break it in, that's when it starts to become comfortable. So it did take a few days, and you can wash it, things like that, because it is nylon. So I did that, and it became very comfortable. It's nice and soft now, but when you get them new, just like this one, they're pretty stiff. So you've got a few different colors, and one thing you get is a really nice buckle. This one I've been wearing, like I said, most of the time, and it's bumped into things, and it hasn't worn at all. So it's really held up well, and I think it's very high quality like they advertise. Now, the other thing here is another one. I like this one quite a lot too. And so I've taken a look at all of them. I like this one the best. And then other than these straps, they make leather straps, and these are really high quality leather, and they're pretty expensive at $75 for a leather strap. But when you compare them to Apple's prices, they're less expensive, and you get a pretty high quality product. So as you can see here, this is leather, and it's Italian leather. I've been wearing this one. You can see it's starting to wear a little bit, and it's got a couple extra support here, or extra straps here, to kind of keep this from opening up. It holds up really well, and I don't think it's going anywhere. It seems like it's in really nice shape, and it's going to last over time. Now, because it is genuine leather, you don't want to get this one as wet, but this one you can. So it just depends on what you're doing. And they fit in here just like standard Apple clasps, so they fit in there just as well. And I have this one here. You can see this one is $50 from Apple. This one is $35, and this is pretty high quality. This is a higher quality nylon, I believe, and it fits just as well as this, but this is metal as opposed to plastic here. So I think they're pretty nice for the price, and they're definitely worth checking out. I've got that upside down. There we go. So it locked in place, and then, like I said, you can put it on, pick which strap you want for the day, find some that match, and there's a ton of different styles in the nylon, and then this one comes in a brown or black leather, and it gives you some care tips, things like that when you get these, and it has a great smell to it too if you like the smell of leather. So let me move this aside, and as you can see, you could interchange these if you wanted to wear them differently. And I keep putting it in upside down. If you wanted to wear them differently, you could. And this one, like I said, it's kind of stiff the first few times you wear it, and then it really starts to feel good. So I would expect many years of these lasting without a problem whatsoever. So that's it for Southern Straps. Pretty simple and straightforward. You can pick them up at southernstraps.com, and I'll leave a link in the description below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.